Hello everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna describe about how to create zip file in PHP and how to download this zip file. To create zip file we need full path of the files, and to download we need to create a zip file. So how will we get the files? I am uploading the file here and I save the file into a table. This is the database and its table is file picture. I will upload now some file. Submit. File has been uploaded. Browse images, the file name. Submit. Browse. We got the file and with the full path in the table. Now we need the list of this file. We can see here what file is uploaded. I made a list to show all the files from PHP include list.php. English.php index will query from that table and will display the data into HTML. We can see the list of files. Now I'm gonna show you how to zip this. Index download list. cmd download. We got the files list, the record set, register from files and it query and got the record set. Now we'll do list the files into array with full path. I question count array $I plus files array $I and field name. We got the files in an array. Now zip name will create a zip folder and our zip name is archive.zip. Here ZipArchive is a class and we did a constructor of ZipArchive. We open the zip name we set here and create command and we add all the files we retrieve from database. We add here and we close the zip. Finally, we are doing download with the zip name. Now I'm gonna test what happens. Is download zip. New folder, save, main folder, zip is getting and is being downloaded. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.